Starting around 30 September 2023, torrential slide sort of is exchanging at $9.24 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very critical. This in a real sense makes torrential slide, Avax, kind of positioning at 22 in the cryptographic money market, or so they especially thought. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in a very huge manner? Is torrential slide in every way that really matters, wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is very huge? Will Avax cost fundamentally outperform its untouched high, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking? These really are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost basically is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $14.49, the normal kind of least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the really current year, ought to by and large be $13.85 in a sort of significant manner. Also, Avax can fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest value level of $16.26, so torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to truly cross a very normal value level of $14.49. The normal truly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the truly current year ought to essentially be $13.85, which generally is genuinely huge. Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide generally is estimated to truly be at around a base worth of $12.11, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The torrential slide value worth can truly arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of $13.77, with the very normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide, Avax, value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may sort of arrive at any rate worth of $13.14, while the most extreme gauge value sort of is around $14.30, which truly is very huge. The in every way that really matters, normal cost for Avax in a real sense is all things considered, anticipated to in every practical sense, reach $13.65 in September 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide by and large is supposed to be at around a fundamentally least of $13.29, which for the most part is very critical. Torrential slide cost can especially arrive at in every practical sense, limit of $14.85 with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, so torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost by and large is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $14.49. The normal sort of least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $13.85, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for torrential slide could in every way that really matters stretch around $15.55, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 sort of is $13.57, with a typical cost of $14.20, which most certainly is very huge. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost in a real sense is supposed to generally reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023. While the genuinely normal cost of Avax for the December fundamentally remains around $14.49 torrential slide exceptionally past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been basically diminished by 0.94% in its essentially current worth, or so they most certainly thought. Assuming we truly think about the truly current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which basically is genuinely critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Avax by and large was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.84%, exhibiting that besides Avax can in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $16.26. So torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to fundamentally cross a genuinely normal value level of $14.49, the normal extremely least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to basically be $13.85 in an especially significant manner. Torrential slide truly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be very great chance to dive right in and put resources into a major way. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax essentially diminished by 56.480%, disposing of an astounding especially normal amount of $12 from its by and large current worth in an especially huge manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a very decent basically purchase a potential open door for speedy speculation as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change basically is near 48.04%, and the cost especially flowed from a genuinely least sort of typical cost of $16.54 to especially greatest really normal cost of $18.27 in the beyond 90 days, which essentially is genuinely critical. Torrential slide essentially is somewhere near 23.48%, with the kind of greatest truly normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around $11.78, and the especially least certainly normal cost of explicitly was around $11.56 in truly beyond 4 months, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value estimate 2023 facts. What will basically be torrential slide certainly worth in 2023, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Avax cost explicitly is gauged to for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $16.26, with least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slides sort of have a future in a genuinely huge manner. As far as value, torrential slide basically has a remarkable fundamentally potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing how in the event that we essentially think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap essentially is additionally down, or so they sort of thought. It explicitly is figure that Avax will increment in esteem in a kind of significant way. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, torrential slide can really raise a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of